Hello, this is Gary Kuhn with Finer Wealth Management. I want to talk a little bit today about expectations in the markets and why it can be extremely beneficial to have a multi-asset class portfolio to balance your portfolio. If you think back to New Year's Eve, a lot of people were projecting that the stock market this year in 2014 would continue to go up. You saw a lot of speculation that fixed income would have an extremely difficult time in the market, go down. And if you talk about other asset classes like precious metals, for example, a lot of concern that that would continue to go down. What's happened so far this year, you've actually seen that the Dow Jones Industrial Average is still down about 2.5 percentage points so far this year. So that's equities. Let's look at fixed income. It's actually been a positive this year. And if you look at precious metals, that's actually been maybe the highest performing asset class, high single digits so far this year. And if you look even just at last week, extremely strong week for precious metals. And so we want to talk a little bit about some of the reasons why that might be the case, particularly focusing on the precious metals as being one of the asset classes to perhaps round out a well-balanced portfolio. So far this year, if you look back at last year, actually, as the numbers have come out, it turns out that the demand for gold, particularly in China and India, has remained extremely high, particularly in China, who's now become the #1 world consumer of gold. Another reason that the precious metals, and particularly focusing on gold, may have gone up this week is because of short sellers covering those shorts.